Today I'm going to show you how to make a automatic bamboo farm, and it will really awesome video, so watch until the end, otherwise you will miss a very cool thing. So the last video I have showed you how to make automatic sugarcane farm. Wait a second. Automatic sugarcane farm, and now it's time for the bamboo farm. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, dig 8 blocks straight like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it 8? Yes, it's 8. So after digging 8 blocks, find the middle one. Okay, so let's just see it here. Okay. So middle block is this one. Just dig 2 from here. Okay. So go up here. Dig 2 blocks down in the middle. Then place a chest. Then 2 hoppers. Make sure the hoppers are connected to the chest. Sorry. Then dig the corners and place redstone block. Block of redstone. Then place powered rail on them. Then place rails. Okay, like this. Then place a minecart with hopper, and you can see it's like moving. So then cover it with a grass box. Wait, what's happening? Okay, so cover it with grass blocks like this, and then make a simple small wall. Okay, so do it like this. So you can choose any solid blocks you want. Okay, so after that, place some pistons. 8 pistons. Then cover these up. Don't cover these 2 lines. Okay, so after that, make 5 blocks more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So like this. Okay, guys, so after that you need to place blocks like this. Okay guys, and then is the redstone part. Let's throw this away. So grab a redstone dust and just deliver. These are 2, nothing else. Okay, so place the solid blocks behind the pistons, and place redstones like this, redstone dust like this. Then place the lever at the corner, and as you can see, it's moving. Okay. Then take glass and some bamboos. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so then cover it with the glass. Okay, guys. Cover it like this, and lift the corners if you want to decorate it. Okay, so do this. Place 3 blocks at the corners. Sorry, 2 blocks at the corners like this for decorating, and then place the glass. Sorry, I'm placing the levers. Okay. And guys, the next video will be my final video in Gaming Tech. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Just my final exams are coming, so I think I have to leave from YouTube to like 2 weeks for that. So don't be worried. Okay, so it's fully done. Now the last thing is take a trapdoor, go inside here, and then place the bamboos. Okay, I'm placing the bamboo lastly because they grow too fast. Okay, so there we go. Then place any trapdoors you want, and then once the bamboos are so hard, just put the lever. As you can see, the bamboos are now here. turtle. You can see the bamboos are collecting now. So I hope this video helped you a lot, and this was the smallest tutorial ever in YouTube, I guess. So if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to in the next video with another cool hack. Another cool build hack. So